Nje yalne yollum kasawara kandangona nje okumal masawara shozanuma nje owum yata obenkana bama nje nyama oyakol maji kawal kapula nyama anku deshel dazan nun so basaso yegbaga dazan olabunga anang dalalama atinti yeltim attention ngarma.
Okay, so thank you so much. ISRAHIM #1, inshallah. Now is at Nyaviapa on the 24th of May. May Gwale Biao Pishina Nadalambala. It is happening live inside Aliou Mahama Sports Stadium. Basa Tingela Bayambe Jimana Pam, you know, Bashaba Nye Dati, bro. Dati, okay. Tapa is Flexi from Yendi, David Ejedam Biane, Young Shaq, and Tapa JK. Bill,
yeah,
can I just strong man? The black, the Black Star, Wish Child Dam Biane, Nanki, Rich Kid, CK, Rough Guy. First Gadam will be, I don't know. And of course, DL, Tapa Macasio Dam Biane, Don D. And then Fidel's the baddest, but these are artists Bandati and Baby Mazo. And surprise artists in them damn Biani pass through. Romania album launch. You mean you're back in white, album concert. ISRAHIM, when you're back in white?
Yeah, back in white, man. Tinko mala jisham nyam that. To use lot of months some the piano simple.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then you're back.
Okay. But the explanation behind it.
Okay. So I to yell explanation.
Yeah. So then you sham nyam that. ISRAHIM as an artist and ISRAHIM brand man.
Okay.
Neza shell pulo man. The two zoom kanya kan nirbe nang de bumbon nang de like am nang de zimsip nang de ISRAHIM brand man.
Yeah.
Because filanam pampian kaba yarla par ISRAHIM. Karapalla la understand bu. So kat yere album man yar nirbe kama bungu ISRAHIM inshallah be bon yar inshallah ai ISRAHIM bizani man ISRAHIM zashi chalambo.
Alright.
Yes.
So do you think industry mapuni anyela nevo so bandar so niama pam but still kana kuzea de baani men de tap man nirbe to yarla, do you think so?
Yeah, ka industry as a whole nyale, but the kunya some sects of people understandable and none the laban ma and bimini yarma dagbamane yarma ne sango dambutu malagutu so sabi ku bobe itu ayarka ku chelegar ku chella da yabla de malay mala ha so den tala gati ti feel kama boda tatima but no yawa na only bian ma basha kama.
So how do you start your music journey, a music career? How do you start it and where?
Yeah, so ne start yila the year. Like that was then Lili min dons rivalry maraku starter man. Last time got to bara start yila man nang biala.
Alright.
But ula kay ma mandanya dancer.
Alright. You started as a dancer.
So yalama zahan kam da mi mabrami mala yangu suwa.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yangu suwa. Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah. So
we tell ka bravo.
No, ngeto yulu.
Yangu suwa. Okay.
Ba problem anya me. Current ndachi.
Okay. Current ndachi ale.
Ba wetinda kunye behwa tra kumba so.
La current ba ndachi ale.
Mala because
or malala so kabri bona yin yangu suwa. Okay.
So like last time ma katako pile irin wa ma halle ka mirama la yila ma faham because that to gbar la kama irin Chris Brown nen yila.
Okay.
That kind of ilan man to ku gbar yila up to the from the starting up to end man.
Alright.
So like kada cheka like nzwadama kapate file kama no to yila.
Okay.
Kama mama te file male film ma. So from there ma halina pili yila ma banda ku pile mu jama.
Okay.
Because nda mala mama tuma bunu nyama like songwriter nyama.
Okay.
Kan nana the art ntoku draw ya anja.
Okay. Yeah.
Paint aven yalanga ka abutana man.
Wonderful. So
yes, so
okay.
So for along the line ma ka yila ma to far mama bia
deal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So halen first song na ko very first song don salanda record ma.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
King Face
okay,
to you.
okay.
Yeah.
I don't still on that recorder. What do you mean by that?
Unda record in Yilama.
Okay.
Nira
recorder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you still remember?
That's Danya Yanguswa.
The title. Wula da the chorus. Anto T. I go to T. Let's forget about it. So in that case, so here you started your career at 5 Minutes Entertainment. Wula can hear. With fans.
No, mami, never name bang ni man kan never bang ni.
Ama starter career ni man. Okay.
Never name bang kama ISRAHIM mbon ISRAHIM like lawi man ni man ka bang.
What was your relationship with 5 Minutes Entertainment, especially fans GADAM?
Yeah, so mami from the beginning man pun yalla come on. Nda nyala dancer. So from even though nda dancer ma but last time GADAM da rapper me.
Yeah, sure.
Orab yinda. So me like.
So arana kuto dolo wara.
Mami non kana bisa kan bona ya. Mami like Arabia singing na pa because singing kama feeling.
Ga rap.
Ndanyala ula kama mpara fan. Feel singing makan mborpa. So na starti hala yula time malilike yila no kan da developer. Oramulo yisha buku no pen. Nda rapper la pa. Mami ra yile makalan rapi. So then maza la yile mana to ko from starting to end.
Okay.
So yilike yile no kan da feel pa. So han ra start yilike san kan da chang. So nira unfortunately nda ba pagu.
Because of anye singing.
Nira chon nda ba pagu. Ai bu so ka ku mo na minu ku miti bat ka de nan ha ko to go.
Okay.
Ko tra ora ti chance min tan la.
Alright.
And so from there man ka nyarma ya no why not kan ni fancy because mun gbare warma so na minu na to the vibe mara to bian answer so that was then kan link fancy up
just because of dance because running la rap
yeah ba kama le fili singing ba kale ya kama do tuni ne zaman tablo to kan yina
okay so in that case when people say fans GADAM amasambala you don't doubt it.
No, I don't doubt it.
You don't doubt it. Fans GADAM is your master.
Yeah.
All right. Even in one of your song, Ayeli, I don't know whether one can be Ayeli to Ayeli. Let's look at. There was a time I choose don't struggle over fans GADAM. Can you recall? Anto T. There was a time I channel interview Kababo no mulenya. As mulenya a best singer of last time that you mentioned Don Circle. Is it true?
Yeah.
Atili.
Yeah, Atili.
Why?
Why
can I choose Don Circle over fans GADAM? Because by then he was also a singer.
No, I know. It's just my favorite.
So you still stand by it?
Yeah.
Don Circle is your favorite?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I yell at that course of show.
No, ka da costly. Ma yel to apam kan da yel ka cause problem ma.
O kala particular
ka da costly. Bra da costly da nyam ya. Nda answer the question share.
Alright.
So ne yina ma.
Anto clear.
Ne yina ma ka ba change question ma.
Oh, okay.
Answer bra change the question ma. So when that change the very first person when that change question ma, then come ne da question. Bra bla ndwani ye to
what was the question and wula ka bra change le?
Sabra bo ma ya. Ni mpimi danya question debata.
Yeah.
Ni mpimi in favorite artist. Aibu favorite ka singer da anya ba favorite artist. Ma anda boy dan kan corrector ma.
Okay.
But I don't feel favorite artist. Ka zang Don Circle makasiu no fans GADAM.
Okay.
Answer bu. So kama mi ba yulen ba nyala artist. Answer ne bu. So ninya artist ma Don Circle mi suka rivalry netawa.
Okay. Well, it was Makasio.
It was Makasio, Fancy, and Don Circle.
All right.
So Don Circle make a rivalry with anyone.
Okay.
But Oyulma Makasio mini Fancy GADAM banyala rivalry netawa.
All right.
Answer so come on, Julia Don Circle ka rivalry no so much. I'm big Don Circle. Maybe in zone is cheap.
In that case, all right. In that case, Don Circle dari pala favorite.
No, like
Don Circle
favorite. But problem anya like reason she don't have paros or
okay. Karila Pigoma, I'm a favorite even up to now.
Favorite.
Okay.
Yeah. Answerable. And then question she don't have paros. Then that is problem mada anya brabo ne yila. Ni we wuma yila.
Okay.
I don't know where again. Ni we wuma yila. Kay yila bugora.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, true.
Answer bu.
Yeah.
So ni ila bu hadinya bunma ne yina song male. So ndang male postile kaya ni ye ni fans ne kam masanya fans gadam. So kapak ni ye ne kam masanya fans gadam.
Okay.
Dendari chang hal karti.
So
batu gumle karale problem.
So do you think it is right? Kaman de douane passé that Canadian wuha carpenter tuma.
Yeah.
Kabato boy mulenya favorite carpenter tuma ka chante piso or rival kaba pigo. Is it right kama in music? Fans gada ma na masambala. Ka dete kana choose ka chu ka chante pi. So
No,
is it right in music?
Don't sell fans gada rival.
They are rivalries because they are musicians.
No, they are rivalry and they are rivalry
in the game.
But rivalry, the affection.
Okay.
The affection can, but the malaffection, don't affect me as an artist. Okay. So I have to be smart enough.
Okay.
So my answer.
So how do you resolve la train, ma? How do you resolve?
No, you can't. Be like Nisalkaria. Agba. Be Nisalkaria. She now. So they could changala ma ain't chang.
Okay. So now, what is your relationship between you and fans gadam currently?
Normal
vibes. No. All right. Now let's come to look at Back in White concert on the 24th Kariankana.
Yeah.
Aniruma mi da jintongo yarla a piaro mane bra jintongo da bohaba question da ribe nyere ni nisim. So I decided to bring you. So I can katatu nya tentunye de ni nisim ven yalanga. Fans gadam is your master, you still say it. Kana yarle up to now. Kamuno meshu kar crash taba. Why ka one kutu nang solo ka one kana. Nye bia why ka kutu pa solo ko den ma kana before kana nang aden ma.
No man didn't waya. Maka solo pa nyale because solo pa ma from the beginning man pun yarle ma kama. Man min fans garan kutu man nang ban pine ban shashi.
Oh yeah.
Answer nebo because even if the kupa yila ma puni or punya za akora na mane.
Oh yeah, sure.
Answer so mino kutu man nang ban pine na ban shapuni. But ngoma nang la dalire kar gabar karle.
Denen yedden dan kan bona
because the issue ma kunyam kama anye wula kama last year October 18th October nanto court had na been timeline so the delete the maybe hide answer and kan yara ko kan to pa phone chat check le.
Okay.
Last year October kan yi show ma date na.
Last year October
18th October na ko biane to ko ben timeline so ko sama ISRAHIM Abdallah ka 20 nya anyele answer bu so ni
en minute and dealer feel na check out make postile in the entity. Okay.
So no, like people can go and check.
All right.
Answer. So ni date man. Fans be yama no my shoe. Ha le mi no ku meet me ka diri fila. Ha kam flyers be Facebook.
Ko mama mi na me flyers.
Ma be no ga ka ku be boso ko meet ma. O be mi no my program. Boso ko meet ma.
All right.
Answer.
So you get to that.
So kama like ka ku chana. Ayela sa hamadan za. Ndana ba no be sha aban shoe ma. So did I kunya ka fila bien tran to manti handle sham. Answer nebo. And then come we ya kama mino kuto man nang pin ban shao. So the nang dal ngoma den nang la ula kay ma the para sa share kar kuto nkas bin shipti.
Okay.
Because the pumpila la ardin nang show hapo ni. Answer nebo hali nirbi ya nakama no timam jilma nakami timo ka ai ona jimmi timo.
Fas gadam na jimmi.
No. Munun le phone call man bolema. Kama mito. Agba bo ko tiya ma kama yelo kama to show ma den nan ka te pierre pour ne pas ma ti ship tele den affecting career.
All right.
Answer first of all nirba mi mun kama like mala show kan yedi bi shakam ne bi de ba so nti yina kama cancel show ma reason bo kan cancel den mala nkanim habe mbo mi nan ba shakama.
Okay.
First of all nda yelo I told him
apum welle tenir.
Answer ne bo and so come to measure but ya mama don't could near madware agba and if had design net zang evidence ma minimum side net to mal evidence.
Okay.
Answer nebo so ni yelo la ka yelo secondly nyinde pun yela ni so ngunye to doare choma kama numbers ngarma agba so nyi zang solo ka no show because so na bi ni mal show abi kana ba announce na mal show.
Yeah.
Answer so na bi na mal show ma nyi zang solo ka tena ka song ka tena den ma
before ka den ma
kana
yeah.
The ma den male ni nisim
okay
ka song te za haba mpa.
Okay.
Answer nebo
all right.
so na do feel obe yama kama understand be over understanding.
Okay.
And say so katiza mal later continue on announce mo mala show. So announce no my show man nku number sha
me too.
No. Problem anya ya. Anye la whole issue man. Like ne ku di fila shala mo. Den kan ku bon na san so ko ma so because nirbi yer kar ma kama maybe fans gadam mala show kan ma show ko yaba na shift show kan
za si kallalan yale
dusu kan explain le ma
jabira yale do one. Okay.
Dusu kan explain le ma. So mo bon get into details. Details are not get into details.
Anki.
Not get into details. Answer nebu. But nena ku ya to ashele because in yalla a lot of comments no course kan mala kama maybe like la karamba ne be man no mamin gadam no ku piligi be mbangta hanu zo o mama ni ya ma be ko yara na wonzo kama na jinu karamba ne. Okay, I don't know whether you get me. But this nka like wula kama be mbanyala artist who kagba mal nia ne zang dagban yila nchang katanga be ben passport ka zang dagban yila nchang gado so. So when you shanga bian you don't the butuna like I feel like like mbola artist so hale o tu nuar mato no to korba nka problem no nganya la artist kanya ni sa kagba mal ni baba film kagba mal ni baba film ansa ne bu hal comments pam kanna in yar kan like gadam no ashama do tuna gba yahani ni kanu be ka yilo no, they don't do that. Even gadami nang ba shakam kawula like o malani ba ko ni ma pun kan ku min ba kun ku to kalba ban ku filma karnyo gadam
for sure.
So hal ni re yele to ashak ba bozo do
ko to yele istro
ansane vai ma so fila kam mala de dib dab sele ka sa kam ka fila kam
de dab sele na pa ka yele
okay.
So let's look at jabeda yel chongo kamane ayel ba me ba mita ayen ba nang ba bane ka agba nanga de ner katale shell. You told them that ner ka problem shell that be benda jin chongo benda yele to shell ben so dra chama kama noel chi kama pa I don't want in yele la if ISRAHIM yelmene oh gadam don't want igba to nang banang ma ba mi da yaran kar ngala kama ba yele kar nye problem shell. And so therefore can me go ahead to do whatever they want to do. Is it true?
Like nirbo pam ku biane like bukule la yama na dwengu kaya na bo boy mama no ka bo bora ansania biaba understand
get it
that the bo yugi recent the kubo yugi hal gadam da na ba yina with o show ben shao kan nan interview ka Facebook hamare to kan yelo ya gadam nyala niveau so mino ku to nyana ngban pini ansania bo so o mi nye show ma ben shaka ha interview shate no o dele. Okay, ansania bo so di nan ka gadam hay bo yelo because na jim puyen no show ka yelo ngo kan na kan ba o support 11 so di nan kan be yelo halin na interview o mile. Okay, kama nan mal program so mi no ti ma ban ba bi ko bonam feli. Oh yeah ansano kan yarle yarle pam agba bu so because ni bu ko mile mo mami so be kan me ko mai fine o me ko mai ma kan you shall understand ansano vibe but ya man wa dun ku dome be shabale nan wula. Okay, de dam dele alright ayele ni jabe hidaya ne
ayele ne ban nan maka gba nan
banguna njerin pierre bi to about because banguna ban to ku ngba ta problem.
Oh, okay. So là tu as margé. Wow.
Because be yet to a margin, I never feel margin come barma.
I see.
Agbabu. So because the anya bla to ama. Bra bien minga dam di la fila.
O bra kane.
Bra kane. So we ya.
Yeah, bra sarte kama ne bam da kane. Na am gadam da chante di fi.
So was it
nta on kana te report sham te bamba.
To jira kam.
Oh, kaya man. Alright. So lala issue man na.
Man pun yam tuli yam min gadam ya. Ti jago ya na ti min man pi na ba sha.
Yeah.
So unku to le gadam ni kay kun nang makang ban no. Du kuto na mama man du kuto na.
No, yeah.
So ikati jir mo fi ku na pen adu kuto na ban jir ko ngbar.
Alright. So last video shele kaba yihna with regards to show my to aranang video 2022 makashu rai nan ka a shifta show because of Makasio. So never attribute la issue until la Kaman. If you could shift your show because of Makasio, why can't you shift your show because of Fancy? That's another question shall never Buhara on social media.
So the bazaar now so the mahiram.
So
ita video maya. ma bnya bachat mala side ma
ngala la side yeah o video wala nyal
ansane bo bachat mala side ma kun postra but niveau cha bang mar la video ma postra ba mam midi yama ni nyesham
okay ami bang bar la ma
mami aku nto kunya video ka bang yakaza tongo ka video yina
okay
ansane bo so ba mam midi yama ni nyesham ingera me to a ingera me indira me fila shele anytime kam ingera me Kaman fila yen nang ni ba sunsu ni the two na both sides but so kana ti yala ngo because of de la mamre ami ngum mata ko kati ya ko indi bifni yama ko ya jir pam dang ma ha jir nang ma baka ade nyanga ka banate ven kama jirenda bon de ka kanle ansane bo so dia fila de tuna bang amama ngum fila man nyesham be de yama mama le nyesham kana tan le jaji ansane bo ayela video ma cha ayela de to nda bu shifti in show makasu konko zo umro
okay
show mara shifti me benir bay ma zazo
but ara shift show is on point ara shift show
okay but dra shifti me benir bay ma zazo
ngone
fansi gadam min makasu zazo ka shifti show mara shifti so cha anyala dan nan sham mala show kama ka gba ma show ka gadam gba ma show ansane bu so benir ba ta ma zana ma show ma ka kati yule te me first time da ba kati no show ma o but tin tra da mo yeti show ma date ma kana ba buki stadium ma ansane bu kama ka so ngun luku smart in chat in check bu makar na buku ko
buku okay
so immediately on da ko buku bara yelo date na ansane bu so
emi na ba buki
tre na ba buki
okay
hal ne ya naka makasu ya mane shifting de mami makasu da ba di fila hal ka date ma shifting ha kan show ma tan
wow
ko show mata nang di asa mami no rali ka vibe la time
yeah
mami no rali fila sent ka tra miti
okay
ma ban sent makasu man
yeah
mun ka mino mal nang bran da time ma aka mino mal nang bran ta pan mun ka tra miti yolo ko yati ya no mistake ka tan ne ratun dan buku park ma kana
yi ben ya
ne me pun ka dan buku ben ma ne yar ma suis ba
amina ba buku park aka samle
asa ne bu so den nang la katna le ya makayen nang me ka gadang bayen ka bayen
with the same period
ansane bu so tene meet that was the very first time ka tempe stadium so ka minute imagine ba ya den nang shama de tuni tishuma ti shiptele ka che bunir ba because ban zamala numbers tene me first time ba ka tin nang ma so de butun tin nang
that was genie concept
ya karpun ven ya yes so de butun tin nang ka ya karpun so ti shiptele zan chang 4th match
okay
tinda shin ba shamba
alright
tinda gba ma tra ba zanni mane tra ka heta ban paga gadam odu nti yelo sina din ninka
amani
makaso no shuma in zama numbers de kuto affect iza so tin na pata din ma
solo okay
indagi inira mai tapso ya da din ma chang ven yalanga
wow
azane bu so ka ti yelo la ka ba shakal za understand magami mino ban free so we ka nun ko
so makasio ngbaira ba chonsa
kana madaka ya wala kana ten nun choko ban ya ti shift show ma ogbaza so that was where ka tra kana
like ma video ma
thank you so ha video ma kala ya to azu ba ka tra kana video ma bana bun punu so ya to anan pam so ka tanda juna ka yalla hadin ma ba ka ma la side ma ko pam mal ne ba zan le samu yule nan la
so inda ba to chat meet makasio ma reason why ki ran na video ma be video ma ngba ba da mal dalir na ma
thank you
rama la dalere berke les angoma
mpar so banyel ma as point
okay
ansane vai no bazan nang politics ya ni niveau bi anyama nda nang lango ka zakso ngo ansane vai ma there is no there mama mi ma ve lango from the beginning ha ba ku mi banda ku mi no lifestyle but mi be no ko sa disrespect
wow after album ma ayina wait an album amene bas pam bela la yila ma puna mun fans gadam basa bi yila bela la yila ma puna at the point to wumi ne gadam da na yihimu ayihim la yila ma is it true nura texami amene a boys wonda a guys ma bandaji to bananda yela is it true that gadam da texami yala na yihime on be yil shel ma yihin la album man
yeah
wora yela am lela why call and Daniel be text
at what Daniel yeah but later part not for this na be 3 days time man kan you cost baza baka cost man kan wanda ko
all right so ra text am na yihim o yule ayihim o amuno nan yishem na yihim la album man
yeah
anto ban reason share den that tale
no I don't know
la ban mara la yel gumara yel ma before kabra posti album ma cover ma ka delete ma be dana
yeah dra yel ma before
ra yel ma before kala ban ma na call break bukara nya ka wula ka call ma ra yela
de ala ko call ma ne fancy complainer me da de tune yi o yuluma album man.
Reason you should know.
No, den kan yela ma.
I need Kambelama. Why can't you hear me? Why didn't you ask that question? They are one carry Yajam na yelling.
Den kan yela ma ngwa. Ma be dinda kana message man kana manda na gargale.
All right.
Because nda film Kaman maybe yeto abiane. And yeto amami den tonen karamale. So you
felt that yeto abiane.
Yeah.
Then you didn't date mo yeto amo be. Then yeto shell dama.
Solo. On yel shama mami so dia fila. The mala on yela sham kamine kama yeto a biane be karinye norma.
Oh yeah.
Kama tin question woka kayan saba mbuzo kan tu sabra a first half. Be DJ mbuzo kan tu sabra.
Yeah.
But ka biatu kunige kayan saba kaya first half. Ya be ngongo amama film kama no be shan chika.
Yeah.
Before kan bola mbrobe kan bola.
Yeah.
So the way message man in kanasha ma then check can feel kama no.
There's a problem.
There's a problem.
Okay.
Understandable. And there's a problem mami. The two ben yara min punnan nan halle karta nan ma den po ya tuli yan janin into details.
Yeah.
Ben yara min nan
apakle to amason di yele go del bien. Okay.
Understandable. So den nan la ma kama feel kama no this is a big issue, but don't turn nan karamale. Understandable. So kana waitera. So ka no wait 3-4 days ka course matalan kan nama kaya ka dunguna ni mo
different call
ni
kare wula ka call ma da yela
man pun yalle ye dra yaram kaman garan complain ne yibe.
Okay.
So kan feel kama dunguna ni mo ham papa mshire balama so kan da yihe
so ayi
kan da yihe la ma album mane ba ma min ko to yihe kabe kanati yale
nirba
kama
okay
garam ya ni
yihe de tuna yale
because diti album ati na ko yul karapune
de mala skamla nirba
ansan vibe.
So do you ask you didn't ask when ta message GADAM aba bolen tahle kayen yemle do you think it's or you think it's not necessary
donc ku biar punu nyam dat o yamane yemle
gaka bozo
din solo kan kan man yarame o yamane yele mi yele ansane bu but into why ko yana yemle tu ngongongo don wona kaye to abem biar punu
I mean never ready na yelle
ansane bu because
mpagbaya. So in that case, do you think GADAM is sabotaging your show in a way? Come on, I Christian to you picture ma. Do you think Mzoma Oborno sabotaging show ma? Do you anyar laban ma? Do you perceive laban ma?
Mam ya. In yalla yil shel pune. Ye ula kan yama dagbang di shahara. Jilman kay le president lapsa ISRAHIM nyanga nan kakare.
Yeah.
Abu kayela ye
wo sana jinna so jilman
kayela ya ye dagbang di shahara saliri yan leri yila nam nan kunyale answer ne vibe mabu. The answer is that mbe feel na Kaman da dam no to no o dadan pe zamba kara tumtuma tipanda wonan zalli.
Yeah, okay.
Answer ne bu. So anything in regards to GADAM na zamba bi wona zamba no karapuni no ko be share pour nyama borna shuma cham venyel nga so people should come out and support it.
Great. Onto ye hamono yilama album ma pune be ko perform. Do you think GADAM is part of the bill?
Ma ula kay mo on free on to kana.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are good to go.
Yeah.
But officially o kabil mazo. Officially, yeah. Officially, Kabil Mazo. Makasi will be Bill Mazo.
Yeah, sure.
Great. So now, on the 24th of May, will I need a preparation towards the Tingi Sashiro? Will I shill keep Melzan Chando Polo?
Shilma didn't be up now because my Bishak comes ready. 99.9% Bishak comes ready.
Wow. The coach had Dabslema Park.
And then thermal activities pumps and Shuma Polo. When you are a park here, Pump Kabela.
Then you didn't.
First of all, Saturday shadon ko kanu tamala health work.
Okay.
Career start gumana last stop.
Okay.
Katuku mami health the nang
important. Ala pense viela.
So katuku en jogi in chang town polo and the ula kay ma supia laba dem ber punu nyam dat album ma yimna yibia health work ma.
Okay. Oh, okay. Album ma yimna yibia health work. So album ma we so come yele before park ma dapselma.
Inshallah.
All right. That's great. So performance will I change yele?
Kaya to abeo.
Mula ka meshi.
Kaya to abeo because anya performance man. In yibna nite yina sham.
Okay.
Te pule me jibuyi. Yeah. Yibna ma te mala de bienven yalanga. Kana te lap yina ma karba ma de bienven yalanga. Bi demi za
channel. Entrance.
Demi za channel the message.
Wow. Yibna ma.
To hala entrance man. Nje kan deso kan bolle yibna ma nje no bolle
entrance ma.
Because nje na
agbaten kebalu ne yo.
The craft ma pule. Asana. The can craft ma pule.
Okay.
Kama irin iya craft ka entrance mo te
yeah.
Performance craft man tinte nang le shama.
Okay.
Like den mala jiri den mala vibe like la way ma so
demi za en kar la message
so nang de bay kar za kar message.
Okay.
Like ti could start la bank ma ngu kati yarma sana vibe babu.
Yeah.
So show home na ka fully pack ka eto abe.
Wow, let's talk about sound lighting system and everything.
Yeah, la de man wan point ya ye ben shakam 99.9%
okay.
ready.
All right.
So ben shakam nang ready.
So bon pour the program the dapsel ma pack a fans ma yinaka denye chang shamza. Den kamena ayelti a fans za dagbang za zan chang back in white concert ngopolo.
Okay, no my flash and India. You see, anytime comes out a new platform in Yarlame, Kaman and Zang, Tolen Radio platform on the flash. Anye Dagbang, especially the entertainment sector. Now also can Yarmado Tunutan Nangbayine. Yes, the Tunutan Nangbayine because Ankarati Yule. Ti yila ma yeto adem be shama the maladi yembela anytime comes out to zo sim shatam borma de kutu kana.
Wow, nagbayin ka industry mani.
Yeah,
bansi sunsune.
Yeah,
okay,
especially so the tune to man nagbayinga.
Wow,
asa nebo I so in Malay show.
Okay,
ka ba ne kama a favorite artist be ambor artist suka show ma puni torozo aben chang show ma fair enough.
Yeah,
but the tour show ma ndre bechang
Dembachang.
Asa nebo
I've been chang
because
but the years the trial na years no chang.
Thank you.
All right.
Be kan nang the campaign show ma ndre bechang.
Yeah, o la be yar to bien.
Maden le nyala
kare fans be artist kare fans be artist
hal show shane ko artist na magban.
Wow,
hal show shane ko nongo me fans gadam show ngo man ne nam the 2 weeks tank of gadam hal la show ma people are doing campaign nko yina ni mo campaign ti non campaign ne bro kana show.
Wow,
yeah,
kanyar
pam ka biara pam.
Wow,
ansanebu so like di nan kanyala kama maybe
most do you feel that lala artist won wo bala be ya maka
that one I can best tell that one I can best tell.
Okay,
ansanebu but so di nan kanyala kama maybe like me feel artist won be artist won o mini artist won be na mala na pini be mala na pini ba so show man be chang fair enough.
Yeah,
answer because
I make la man.
All
right,
but I pa tour show man ne be chang ven yalanga buka nang
banga tour man
understand ya because like in show man kana ka gadan show ka nan ba pini ka design ka man show ma da ku den pasha ma da ku to pegi ai bu ka gadan ba ko okay dun an ba show ma du ku to nan kan ban nan she ba nan le design like tinum fans go tiri tap song design an to chang fe ka tizanye tin bor shele answer but donc pour issue ma man zama kunyala kama kan show ma ba kema dan pergale.
Wow,
ma video num ko yina no ban yari like dun ko encheka bar fly dun ko encheka show ma ba chang then started the whole thing.
Yeah,
asanebu so I ban kama maybe nko to chang show mu fair enough but I pa tour le ma dagbanga tour da ba ila ga tour be ma kana.
Yeah, no the music ka tour ma
simple.
Yeah, den ya la boka
so
ma
to zom na woni tin mun nang ba yinga to zom na woni tin mun nang ba yinga ka bin sha kam chang ve tati because tin ya ne dagban ila buzura ma tin mamang tour le ma.
Oh yeah,
asanebu tin nang ba yinga ma din chang ve nga tin bol sham
ta pa.
Yeah,
final words
to on final words
t-shirts ma bien de tuna yel de to abiela
t-shirts bien tikis yina bin sha kam za pa be
yakani se nyele
tikis ma nguna ambo la anto nyale mahabadi.
Okay,
store map ni anto nyale ya media studios de biazo biale kula zula nyanga ma akupa zula ka ko ya media nyanga nyen cha piano ben store man ti di shele ka shele be
tikis ma ba the same thing
Tickets man.
Do you have some in Tolan Kasono too?
Tickets mo kama na ku yar mo.
Ah, okay.
Tickets mo shebe ababu.
Okay.
Police sane.
All right.
Ai bo ha ngun tomara package shele. I can't do that name pa liga jinjam na namda when time VIP tickets free.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Ala nye VIP man.
100 cedis.
Kat ben mami.
Regular 50 cedis.
Ah, okay.
Katla marketing manager don basit.
Okay.
Avieta nyu ai ku bulu 0 minutes.
On rush kana. Okay.
Health t-shirts ka ku barka bulu.
Okay.
Onyangu ya zana tata.
All right. So hala be yongo ka bulu to zan le paga na yongo.
0 minutes.
Wow.
0 minutes.
Bon mo number ma.
055 636 27 52
la boile
055 636 27 52
o namba bala so lolo kam ka bi tolon lolo kam ka bi sa vulgo polo lolo kam ay ko bulo ne kaya na bora ida t-shirt ma be tikis ma wonyala nguyen chakar paga Israel te pa
so in last word I am last word na ya katin malama so last word kunyam that mala niveau shabab jabana su show ma ba
alright
man ne na gabar ne show ma ba bla mi mun nan da le
mun sule
ko yela ma ya ya kama ni jil pe wonin di issue mo za whole fila na zo ana tana ta so la ta sa
pa inshallah dit nan kariye to ama yel sa ha
so ne mo cha ko improve yalanga cha ban kunye GHP biane
alright
ka hero zamane biane cha nguna jimana pi
alright
nta pa chama moxen
okay
boss tana
alright
nta pa badu unna be simentan pulu
alright
cha ban ku burshu ma ve yalanga ka chen ve yalanga kala mal cycle ngu to puba o cycle ban ta bata harame pe boss ngune jamo pe boss ncha so ma o sa zan kilo ma ka ba yina ka ta pa isti corridor pulu so ncha anyer post ncha to cycle ma mbala ma to cycle ma nguna tenu su yo bala ma so tenu su.
Thank you so much. We're born in ISRAHIM. Now is at the on the 24th of May inside Ali Umar Sports Stadium. So come yim na VIP man yela 100 Ghana cedis ka regular man 50 Ghana cedis. So come pa mo ma pam ko da yina ka ta tab son ka dagbang yina Northern Music Zoo. Besime tebele yun bonde afa staff. Pitong dollara ne beki garla kela puli ama pana pialam tishin ye banga ko yu game woni kana mal jaka man te banga